detector to the power supply and MCA, and how to cool the detector to be ready to take measurements. The MicroGe detector will arrive in a black Pelican case and will include the following items: MicroGe detector, power supply for the MicroGe detector, and a multi-channel analyzer or MCA, either the Lynx or DSA-LX. If you already have an MCA available at your facility, you do not need to order one. Below the top foam, you will find the cables to connect all the devices. Each detector is supplied with a 3.5 meter cable. There are 2 bags with cables. One has the industrial cable for the MicroGe detector, power supply, and connectors for the MCA. The second has the power cord for the power supply, the bias shutdown or BSD cable, and the MCA power supply. For this demonstration, we will be using a DSA-LX, but this will also work for the Lynx. To begin, plug the power cord into the power supply. The MicroGe Sub-D hybrid cables connect the detector with the MCA. Connect the MicroGe detector to the supply power station box. Connect the energy cable. Connect the bias shutdown cable from the power supply box to the HV inhibit on the MCA. Connect the high voltage cable. Ensure to check the spec sheet for the correct polarity of the high voltage. Connect the preamplifier cable to bias the detector. Connect the MCA power cable to the power supply. Press the power switch on the supply box. Turn on the main supply switch and the cryo cooler switch. The LED labeled CRY will switch on and the detector will start to cool down. When the LED labeled T is on, the detector can be biased. Before applying the high voltage, make sure that the low voltage power supply cable is well connected and that the temperature LED is on. The cooling time for the detector is approximately 30 minutes or less. Now you are ready to connect the detector to your computer installed with Genie to start your measurement.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.